Here we are back, ladies and gentlemen, for Stage 3 in the Cal Cup Series Cookout 400 for Martinsville Speedway. As now, Toyota teammates will lead this field back to green here in Martinsville. Big run from Brian. The Advent Health scheme. So now, Happy is leading here in Martinsville, pulling away slightly. Here comes Brian to the inside of Josh. Can he side draft? Oh, a little bit of contact there.
This car is such a white cracker.
So now, wow, and oh, spinner. Almost, can he save it in the back? Yes, he does. Happy, into the wall. Josh with the lead. Can these guys, it's all going to come down to fuel in the end. Does Josh have enough fuel? Or is he going to have to save? Well, if a caution doesn't come out. Josh with the lead, pulling away. The Toyota teammates are slower than him. He's been the fastest car all day. Whoa, Brian! Brian stopped on the racetrack. Is that going to be a caution? Is that going to be a caution? I'm not sure.
It's not going like how I wanted to go. Ooh, see if I can hit it right. I need someone to talk to.
Alright, we keep it green.
My bad. My dad called me mid-race.
Really?
Yeah, he called me mid-race. Freaking ruined my whole race.
As Happy is sitting in second. It's
It's
been a career day for him so far. He is trying to catch that 5 car for Chevrolet Josh. As he is 1 point. He is 1 point. As he is probably 1 second back.
And Cal is blind. He is the blindest, more blind than an average blind person. God, thank you, bro.
As now caution comes out.
Look, you are. That car just chilling.
As now yellow comes out.
And it ain't gonna be me.
He just stopped in the middle of the racetrack.
Yeah, I like that before. Cool. Are you pitting?
Yeah, I'm pitting early, just in case.
Just yes. Where's my phone? Yes, no, we got that. Why is he not?
Bro, yeah, you can just change the laps, you know that, right? Okay. Because I really do not want to waste fuel just to get a lap back. Please, if you can't change the laps. Oh my god. No. Yo. Just change the laps, man. Oh my god.
What are you doing, my friend? Stuck back here, first giving you troubles. Are you trying, Dane?
No. I legit cannot turn for some reason.
I'll give you some of my luck. There you go.
Why?
I tried giving you some of my luck. Looks like it just got you in the wrong turn.
Hey. back. No, give me my P3. Give me my P3. Give me my P3. DP. DP. Oh, I forgot. I fit it. I forgot I fit it.
Yeah, I came out like way before y'all. Hey! Whoa! Whoa!
How much money do you have?
Did we lose some
As
people?
we are going to go green this time.
Nobody.
I don't know how many laps to go.
Lego and Andy.
But no, 18 to go. So it's going to get spicy here in Martinsville. Who's going to take on the checker flag?
Better we lost Lego though, so we lost indeed. Oh, that hurts. Yo, 24 might give me the worst start.
Now, Josh comes to the restart zone.
Please die. Oh my god, that's deserved though. That's deserved.
Yeah, that is really deserved. Good job.
Here, I'm gonna turn the wall here.
Now Josh
No,
into the lead. Oh, the 42 spins.
Oh yeah, leave him in the top. That's great.
got turned by 17. Yeah. I mean, it is a caution.
But this officiating is really starting to piss me off.
Oh my gosh.
This is world class officiating. God, actually, you do know me too, bro. You're full sending everyone. Everyone. Not even just one person. Sorry, gosh. Where is this police car? Oh my god. Yeah. My car is getting more to lose just by being back. That's what's gonna go on. Oh,
Yeah, I need the second place, man. The second place, beautiful.
I need to
Help me. Yo, what's with the 24, man? 24. Hey, man.
At least we're top 3 together. Like,
Yeah, never mind.
what are you doing? No, 24, you drop back. What are you doing, man? 24.
Is it red flag or something? Like, what the heck? Okay. Oh, it's pace car something. I don't think we're going green this time, are we? Crap, man.
He's the best pacer, bro, I swear. I bet it's 24. My bet 24. You don't need to get angry. Yeah, I'll just stop you in hits. Really? No. I'm gonna just sit here now. Yeah, cause you're a dummy. What do you mean he? What?
Yeah.
Learn how to pace and then talk to me. Learn how to...
I guess I can't talk to you, man. That sucks.
Really?
Holy Mike. Fix your mic, dude. Not DB. What do you call you, DB? Fix your mic.
Alright, we are going green this time
Yeah, I know. My hand was in front.
with 17 laps to go.
Let's go going to the... There we go, finally.
Alright, I'm about to shove Doopy if it's ever on my inside again into the pit wall.
Right, and Josh leads them to green in Martinsville.
Oh, wow, what a start from me. Goodness. Yeah, Doopy's just gonna get set up high because the 42 and the 43 really.
Whoa, lots of contact in the back. They keep it straight. Stick sends it in. That's going to give a bigger gap to Josh. 0.8 second lead for the Chevrolet driver.
He doesn't know how to drive.
There's 11 to go, coming to 10 to go.
Done with this league.
Already, bro.
Whoa,
My first day, I'm done.
Ram.
Cowley's my best driver. It just had to be this track that we're racing.
Whoa, lots of contact. The short track jumpers here in Martinsville. Sends him up the track. What a move.
see why Lego and Indy left, bro. I can tell.
Indy sucks. He left because he got lag.
Alright, this 42. Stop. Just go.
As now we come to 9 to go.
Turn.
Sticks.
No.
Not really having the best hope. He has to have a caution.
You stuck
The
back.
caution is oh. Oh, lots of contact in the back.
Done.
38 is not happy on the radio. Oh!
Yeah, now you want to do it? Cal, do something about this one.
Oh! Oh my goodness.
That's not even cool.
Caution is out.
Thank you.
I don't.
But since he wants to wreck me, it's not a caution. You got favoritism. You got side. What was that? What do you mean, what was that? Learn how to drive instead of full sending. Oh, no, I'm not getting penalized. Don't even say my name. Freaking Happy is being dumb.
Brian.
And it's Cody defeating the whole field. What? Bro, Jakes, you need to talk to your boy, bro.
My boy.
Why am I getting penalized for something I'm not doing? This 42 don't know how to drive.
Yeah. Don't pin Bruce, man.
I'm
42
putting
sucks.
up, trying to hold it in, trying to hold all the 42 stuff, and the 24, and the 5, and the things.
I'm not pushing.
Come
Bro.
on.
I didn't even, bro. 24. At this time.
Oh, you're not getting
Bruce, it specifically says in the rules, no payback.
Whoa. Two balls in your skull.
Oh my god.
Inside your eye socket. Before you tell me that I'm getting penalized
Yeah.
and that that there's a random rule that there's no payback. Tell that to the 42 before you even speak my name and use your eyes, please. And do something about the 24 too. Turn to my freaking
Happy
teammate.
too.
Like actually.
And now we
I
are
could
back
also
to green in Martinsville. 4 laps to go.
24, man. They're not P2.
Can Josh win it? He's slightly pulling away from Sticks. Ryan about up out of the groove.
42's doing it again.
Josh is pulling away.
You better call that caution, man. You gotta park that where it's good ground.
Yeah, park the 42. Do something about the 42. Kick him from the lead, for God's sake. I'm done. Thank you. Do something about it, bro. Penalize him. Mark it. Give him a penalty. Deduct points. Suspend him from a race.
Walking in there.
He is a bum. Thank you.
Alright, now we come to 2 laps to go.
Would appreciate it.
It's on. If a caution comes out now, it will be overtime.
Oh my god, I'm so slow. It just turns.
When a caution comes out
Wait,
now,
how is in the fourth portion of this?
as now we come to the white flag, sponsored by Credit One Bank.
This 42 ain't on.
White flag is in the air. Can Josh win it and get his first career win?
You don't need to have a serious company. Or can do some other. Like, you don't.
As Isaiah parked,
Give him a talk.
caution comes out.
Or
See.
Josh wins it in Martinsville.
dude, at B for real. No. Look me.
As angry drivers